So, today I am going to show you how to study maths the correct way. Let's start by taking the maths book. Then open the index page. Let's go there. And select any chapter you want. In my case, I am giving the demo of chapter integers. Let's go to the page number 9. Here we go. And then start reading all of these. After reading all of this, just page flip and read the whole chapter. And in almost every textbook of mathematics, a page is given where it is written things to remember. And always remember these things. And let's get to the next point. But remember, if you don't understand any of the points in this chapter, always try to read the chapter whole again. Not only the point you didn't understand, but the whole chapter. So your practice will be precise. For the next step, take a notebook. And for the stationery, you will need 2 pens. In case one ink is over, you don't have to wake up from your desk and take another one. This is helpful for concentration study. I always keep these 2. Now, 2 pencils. Any 2 pencils will work in this case, as if one's lead is broken, you could use another one. And by the way, this is my sister's pencil, so it is double sharpened. An eraser, of course, to erase whatever you accidentally wrote. And then a scale. I am using a 15 centimeter scale to measure the triangles or any other perpendicular things. Now let's start by writing the title. Oh, so helpful. And after writing the title, go on exercise 1. As all maths textbooks have exercise 1, then question number 1, write the question number 1 and start answering the questions. Use this format for every chapter while in school notebooks. But while using your own notebook or your rough book and while you are doing self-study, always write the start of the chapter, which is integers, the chapter name, and then hashtag, and then type the chapter start, like integers. What are integers? Then write down the answer, that what are integers, then use an example, and then solve that example. Let me show you an example actually. Oh, another help. So, this is how you write. What are integers or countings? The definition and the example. And you must do this for every formation, formula and everything in the textbook. After doing that, you might end up with 2 or 3 pages of the definitions only. Then go and write the points to remember I told you earlier here at the end of the page. You might end up at the 2nd, 3rd or 4th page of the notebook. Then after doing that, you could just read all of this again and again until you understand all of the formulas. And when you think you have understand all of the formulas, you could just go to the next step. In the next step, the thing you have to do is get your pen. Thank you. And then write all the questions from the textbook. Always keep your textbook to your side. Solve the exercise 1 here and answer all of them, which I told you how to do in the earlier part of the video. Let's do it now. Oh, super helpful. This is the format you must write your answers. And sorry, I forgot to write here the title. Exercise 1A. The first number is the chapter number and the A is the part of the exercise this is, like A, B, C, D. And that's how you write the things. Here you could write and start writing the question number 2. I haven't wrote the answer, and here's another tip. You always must write everything in maths in an proper form. In a proper format, not like this. Yeah, format you can follow, but it must be representable, which makes you remember it more easily. And this is just for demo, so you must not follow this. I am just writing this as format. Now, the next step. So, in the next step, you have to give your notebook page turn the page to a brand new page. Take it and give it to your parents or your older brother slash sister and ask them to give you the questions to you to solve, because you have already solved all the questions in the notebook, in the textbook. Now the only thing is remaining are the questions in their mind. Thank you, Papa. And here we go. This is just a demo. Your parents may give you more or less than this. And if they disagree, you could just go on internet and find some questions there. And now they have given the questions. You must write the answers and you must only follow the steps I told you earlier. And after doing that, your chapter is done. Now you are good at this chapter, and then try a test. Actually, this was only the test, but if you want, you could just hop in online and get some tests there from the apps like Brainly and some other. And in between that, you could also take some rests while doing this. You could also divide the main chapter between the integers, like what I did, integers, the formulas, integers, the textbook solving, integers, the parent solving. And by the way, you might be wondering why I typed G in between 1 and A. That is because G means guardian. This is given by your guardian. And let's end this video. Now you exactly know how to solve any mathematics question chapter easily. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe. And this is not only going to be the only part. I am also going to upload for science, Hindi and some other subjects. This is only for mathematics. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.